everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So this is the second video of Python on our channel, and in this video we are going to write a code to extract zip file using Python, and for this we are going to use module called Zipfile. So this module has class which is known as Zipfile, and this class has all the methods associated with file extraction which we are going to use today to extract a file. So let's get started. And for this, now I'm heading towards PyCharm and we'll start our coding there. And all the steps to create project in PyCharm has been discussed in our first video very thoroughly. So you can refer the first video if you don't know what to do in PyCharm. And this is the final step where we create a Python file, and I have named that file as zip extraction, and our extracted file will be stored in this directory. So let's get started with the coding. So first step that you need to do whenever you are dealing with modules is you have to import that module. So in the first line here, I'm importing a zip file module in code, and for that I have written from zip file import zip file. And now I'm going to create variable called file name, and this variable is going to store the file which has to be extracted, that is css_tut.zip. Take care of the extensions because they can mess up the things. And next very important step is to create the object of module. So here I am creating object as with zip file, and then I'm going to specify file name, that is our variable, and then I'm going to open it in a read mode. So this is how you create object of zip file. You have to basically open your file in read mode, and then I have named that object as zip, and now I'm going to print a statement that says that extraction is being performed or we are extracting the file. And now we are going to call extract method which is present in zip file, and for that of course we are going to use object. So here I'm printing confirmation message as extracting all the files, and now we have created object, we have printed a confirmation message. So let's call extract method, and for that our object here is zip, so we'll require that object, and we are going to write zip dot extract all, so which is I'm doing here zip dot extract all. And if you don't want to extract all the contents, there are lots of methods available in zip file module, so you can go and check that in their official documentation. And after calling this method, I'm going to print a message which will say that yes, your file has been extracted. And now let's save this code and execute it. So here you can see in the output there are two messages which says extracting all the files and done. So let's check if it is actually extracted. So here you can see there are two files, one is css_tut.zip and another is extracted, and it has all the contents of tut file. You can experiment more with this code with the help of documentation available on the official website. And thank you for watching the video till the end. If you enjoyed watching this video, do subscribe to the channel and stay connected. Hello everyone.